Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install and configure CSF Firewall on Debian version 11. CSF stands for ConfigServer Firewall. Is a well-known security tool for Linux that secures the server with a stateful packet inspection firewall, intrusion detection, a login failure, daemon, DDOS protections, and control panel integration. First, I will check the OS version. I am used to Debian version 11. Next, I will update the server packages. Next, remove the firewall. Next, install the required dependency packages for CSF. Next, install the sendmail, which is used by the CFS for communication. Now I am downloading the latest package for the CFS using wget command. Next, extract the download package using tar command. Now install the CFS. First, change the directory, CFS directory. Next, long listing the directory. Next, install the CFS. Next, verify if the required IP table module are the presented. Now I am receive the output. Next, I will check the CFS version. The CFS version 14.16. Next, I will configure the CFS. Now I am disable the testing mode. Now I am locating the line testing 1 to change to 0. Next, locate the line restrict system log. The default value are 0. Now change the value from 3. Then save and exit. Next reload the CFS. Next start the CSF using systemctl command. Next allow the IP using CFS. Next check the allowed IP by using the following command. The IP can be allowed, then save and exit. Next remove the allowed from the CFS IP. Then check the configuration file. Then remove the allowed from the CFS IP. Next check and deny the IP address. The IP address can be denied. Now I am check the deny IP address. The IP address can be denied. Next remove the deny IP address using following commands. Then remove the deny IP address. Next restart the CFS. This is the how to secure your server by installing and configure the CSF in Debian version 11.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.